Hopefully, you all guys are having a wonderful day. It is match report. Manchester United won, Brighton 2, and two defensive error cost us the game. First from Harry Maguire, and he who was marking Danny Welbeck. That will be the biggest question to answer. And the second goal was absolutely ridiculous. They don't know how to defend the box. And two players actually were free at the back post. So they found it, they scored the goal. It is 2-1. There are a couple of questions that needs to be addressed. Manchester United are out of possession, pressing in a 4-2-4 with two number nines. That is making it difficult to create the chances and to score the chances because Mason Mount and Bruno Fernandes are not all in all striker. They are not intelligent in the penalty boxes. So we have to make a decision. Uh, Two individual errors. Coaching could have never done anything to improve that. However, I would say, should you able to take Bruno Fernandes off? Do you agree with it or not? I don't think Bruno Fernandes should be able to replaced by Scott McTominay, who was not able to control the ball. Scott McTominay is not a football player. He's not a midfielder. He's an athlete who can make some intelligent positions in the box and score the tap in. So that was a very big ask from Scott McTominay to go and get us a winner. And Bruno and Amad Diallo, they were very frustrated when we go 1-0 behind. Uh, Manchester United got behind in the 32nd minute when Danny Welbeck scored the goal. Amad Diallo equalized in 60 minutes, and then we could have gone 2-1 up. It was an unfortunate scenario where the goal was ruled out by offside, and the ball actually hit Joshua Zirkzee, and he was offside. So that was goal disallowed. And in the extra time, 90 plus 5, this is the same old season scenario where we could not able to defend the set pieces. It was actually a feeling that something might happen. I was streaming and I knew something can happen here, and it happened. We considered a goal, and that put us 2-1 behind with 1 minute to go. And that is the concern going forward. We need to win our winnable games. Brighton, actually, I would say first half or 60, 70 minutes, they were not able to play until we took off Bruno and Mason Mount. And Mason Mount was okay. We were still doing good when Bruno was on the pitch, but when Bruno was substituted, it was just the basketball game. It was absolutely just the basketball game. So there are some couple of questions to answer. Expected goals, they had 2.12. Man United had 1.41. Big chances, Man United had two big chances, and two big chances for Everton. For Brighton, total shots Man United took 11, 14 took Brighton, and shots on target for Man United, 5 Brighton. Brighton hit woodwork 1, they could have gone 3-1. So this is a match report, and the player performances. I would say Harry Maguire, apart from that mistake, was okay. Licha, I don't know who was supposed to mark that guy, Danny Welbeck. So if either it was Harry Maguire or it was Licha, if it was Licha, then Diego Dallo was on mistake there. Actually, he was not with his winger, so Licha had to deal with the winger, and then it left one player free. That was Danny Welbeck, and who scored the goal. Nusair Mazrui had an okay game. I would say 6 out of 10. Kobe Menu had a good game. His interceptions, his take-ons, he's really improving. Casemiro again, wonderful game, wonderful tackles. Amad Diallo scored the goal. He was wonderful as well. Mason Mount, question mark over his creativity, over his goal scoring when he plays as a number 10. Marcus Rashford, his low in confidence. Marcus Rashford, there's a decision to make for Eric Ten Hag. Bruno was okay as well. So let me know what do you guys think. Let me know what do you guys think. I am not satisfied with this performance. I feel for the away fans who went up early in the UK to go Brighton to watch the games, and their team conceded a last minute winner, and that too that they are minnows defending the set piece. That this is frustrating. I am very much frustrated. Let me know what do you guys think.